Iftar, the meal that breaks the fast at sunset during Ramadan, holds numerous spiritual, physical, and social benefits. Here are some key advantages. Spiritual benefits. 1. Reward from Allah. Breaking the fast at the right time is a sunnah, and Allah grants immense rewards for fasting and iftar. Tirmidhi. 2. Acceptance of du'as. The Prophet said, the supplication of a fasting person at the time of breaking the fast will not be rejected. Ibn Majah. 3. Following the sunnah, eating dates and water for iftar follows the practice of the Prophet, Abu Dawood. 4. Increases gratitude. Experiencing hunger makes one appreciate the blessings of food and develop empathy for the needy. Physical benefits. 5. Boosts metabolism. Fasting followed by iftar helps regulate metabolism and improve digestion. 6. Improves hydration. Drinking water and consuming hydrating foods at iftar replenishes lost fluids. 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Breaking the fast with dates provides natural sugars that stabilize blood sugar levels. 8. Aids in detoxification. Fasting helps remove toxins from the body, and a balanced iftar supports this cleansing process. Social benefits. 9. Strengthens family bonds. Iftar is often shared with family and friends, promoting unity and love. 10. Encourages charity. Providing iftar to others, especially the needy, brings great rewards. The Prophet said, whoever gives food for a fasting person to break his fast, he will have a reward like theirs. Tirmidhi. 11. Promotes brotherhood. Community iftars bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and harmony. Please subscribe to my channel to enhance your Islamic knowledge.